वर्सां पयलीं म्हणटा थिंग 10 वर्सां आमी 20 वर्सां हे लोक थिंगा 107 घरां गेलीं अजून तांकां घरां लायट ना. तूं बिलीव जावपाना आमी गोंय रावताय आतां गोंय म्हळ्यार एक आमगेले असले स्टेट आख्खे संवसारां फामाद आहा. भायलो लोक येवन आमी मजा मानयता खाता पिता जेयता नाचता सगळें करता बट आमी खुद गोंयकार आहाय ते लायट नासून रावताय. सो तेका आमगेल्या कोल्ले आतां बोलते प्रमाणे लास्ट 8 म्हयने आमकां बेजीक वस्तू नाय. चाडकोणे लायट ना, रोड्स नाय सारके, लोक जाण टॉयलेट काल मुगोच बरें बोंडूय संतोडो लोक येयल्लो आनी एक बायल मनीस दोग तीन बायल मनीस आसली ती म्हणपाली बाब आमी सकाळ फुडें 5 वरांचे भायल्यान वचोंक पडटा कित्याक टॉयलेट नाय. आमळे आमगे सीएमान डिक्लेअर केलें, प्रायम मिनिस्टरान डिक्लेअर केलें आमी सगळे एज फ्री आहा म्हणून सगळे टॉयलेट आय. तुमकां खरें सांगता काय म्हणून चल तेका ते म्हणल्यार बाब तूं यो आनी चोय आमी खरें ना लाय. सो ह्यो बेजीक वस्तू समज तरी आमदाराक दिवपा जायनाय जाल्यार आमी खंय तरी कमी पडाय. फकत जो मुखार वयता ताका मन आसपा जाय हें काम करपाक. हांव सरप्रायज जालो तांकां सांगलां बोर्डय हांव म्हणलें तूं म्हाका एक जाग दियाय हांव एक 5-6 घरांक जाल्यार कॉमन एक 2 टॉयलेट बांदून हांव दितां बट तूं मागीर म्हाका जाग दियाय. बाबान सांगलें ते प्रमाणे वस्तू जाय काय एसटी लोकांक मॅक्झिमम ऑलमोस्ट 300 crores फंड येता सेंट्रल फंड येता बट तो युटिलायज खंय जाता तो आपणा जाय तिने हुंचे ट्युरिजम आनी घाताय आनी म्हणजे वस्तू घाताय आनी हो फंड आमगे जर लोकांक सारको पावपा जाय तेंचो एसटी लोकांक पडनाको हो फंड पावना. सो हांव सांगता तुमकां समज तरी तूं म्हाका एक पाट सहयोग दिलो एक चान्स दिलो ह्यो एसटी पासत आमगे खोला बारशे पिल्ला हे सायडीन जो आमगे मॅक्झिमम लोक आहा तांकां मॅक्झिमम फंड कितें आहा तो युटिलायज करपा आनी तेंचे पासत कितें बरें जावपा पासत तें करा तें हांव सदां वावुरतलो.
You are the candidate for Cape constituency. What made you do that? Were you always in the fray, or this betrayal of the your ex-MLA has made you
coming into the fray? There is a specific reason to come into the fray. What has happened is that I was a Panch member in the village Panchayat of Fadarapa in the year 1998-2000 for that 2 terms, and after that after 2 terms I was into business, so I could not give time for my business, neither productive time for in politics. So I opted to come out of politics and do business. But now what has happened last year when the Zilla elections took place, I moved around with Malu Velip, who was the independent candidate for a Barshe Zilla. So I went around and I saw that there was no development in those areas which are mostly 99% ST dominated areas. Basic facilities were not there. So that is the time which made me think that I should do something for this downtrodden people, ST people, and then someone should take an initiative. So that is the reason why I thought I'll again come active and try to do something for our campaign. So now on 10th of July we'll be completing two years of a MLA defecting Congress and joining BJP with 9 more members. He was the leader in that defection. So as a Congress worker or a Congress voter, which we have voted for the last 4 terms, I feel betrayed, and on the other side being very sad because nothing has been happened in campaign. So that is why I feel that now at least there should be a change, and we have to get someone, a person with a good intention, that he should do something for the people of Cape.